I'm currently Pahuwa, registration number 3, BDA. I'm going to talk about grassland ecosystem. Grassland ecosystem is an area where the vegetation is dominated by grasses and other herbaceous plants. And it is also consists of the terrestrial ecosystem, in which grasses and herbaceous plants are dominated and referred to as grass ecosystem. Grass ecosystem controls the grassland ecosystem, which with few or no trees where there is not enough for forest and too much for a desert. Hence, it is also called transitional landscape. The grassland ecosystem is also called the largest biomass. On Earth, it covers about 10% of the Earth's surface. It's mainly found where rainfall is about 15 to 75 centimeters per year. Not enough to support a forest, but more than that of a true desert. Grassland ecosystems are called by various names in several regions, such as Bahamas in South America, and Vedidate in South Africa, steppes in Europe and Asia, and downs in Australia. In India, these ecosystems are found mainly high in the Himalayas. The rest of the Indian grasses are primarily composed of savanna and steppes. We have types of grassland ecosystem, which consist of desert grassland, flooded grassland, mountain grassland, tropical grassland, and temperature grassland. Temperature grassland is whereby temperature grasslands are dominated by grass, lacking trees and larger scrubs. This temperature grassland includes tall grasses, berries, which are wet, humid, and dry, and short grass. Berries that experience hot summer and cold winters. The soil temperature grasses has nutrient-rich upper area, but fires that prevent trees and scrubs from growing often accompany season droughts. And we have tropical grassland. This is whereby are located near equator. They have warmer winter climates than temperature grasslands and experience more pronounced seasonal droughts. Savannas are dominated by grasses but also have some scattered trees. The soil is very porous and drains laboratory. Tropical grasslands are found in Africa, India, Australia, Nepal, and South America. Stepped grasslands. Steppe grasslands are grasses bordered in semi-arid deserts. The grasslands found in steppes are much shorter than those temperature in tropical grasslands. Steppe grasslands are lack of trees, expecting a lot of banks of rivers and streams. And we have flooded grassland. The flooded grasslands have water all year round. Furthermore, these grasslands contain numerous vegetation that grows in water. Various water birds migrate to these areas while some are residents of it. Most noteworthy the Everglades in the world's largest flooded and grasslands. Furthermore, it features various types of birds, fish, mammals, reptiles, seed-bearing plants, amoebas, and butterflies. Mountain grasslands means higher altitude. Therefore, these are grasslands that are higher or altitude scrublands. These are called higher altitude because they are above the trees line level of the ground. Moreover, the plants found here have a rosette structure, abundant polyset, wax surface. For instance, the northern Addis contain this type of habitat. Characteristics of grassland ecosystem. We have characteristics of grassland ecosystem. We have limited annual rainfall. Firstly. Secondly, we have the dry climate throughout the year, lack of nutrients in soil. Grasslands are prone in drought and uncertain precipitations, frequently fire due to semi-arid climate and flash lighting. Lastly, we have poor vegetation growth dominated by grasses. And we have the structure of grassland ecosystem. We have abiotic components and biotic components. Abiotic components, these are non-living things components consist of carbon, hydrogen, sulfur, nitrogen, and sulfurous. Biotic components, these are components that their subcomponents are discussed below. We have producers, the primary producers of the grasses such as aristid, thionodium, Digypteria, Desmodium, Setaria, and etc. If herbs and scrubs are presented, they also contribute the primary production of food. And we have nutrient cycle in the ecosystem. For any ecosystem to be successful, it is important to the constituent materials move in a cyclic manner. The producers brackets green plant takes up the minor elements of the soil and air, convert them into organic form after passing through different tropical levels, are again returned to the soil and air. Lastly, we have food chain in ecosystem. There is an important feature of ecosystem, that is the level of an organism serves as food for another level organism, as a series is formed in which is known as food chain. In an ecosystem, the food chain does not follow the linear pattern, but an organization may feed upon more than one organism of different food chain. Thus, the interconnected food chain system is formed and known as food web. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you.